today's question is, which term of the AP 20, 19 1 by 4, 18 and a half, 17 3 by 4 is its first negative term? This is a very important question of class 10. How will do? The given AP is, so we'll write the given AP. So this is 20, 19 1 by 4, this is in mixed fraction. So we'll multiply 19 into 4, that makes 76 plus 1. So this is 77 by 4, 18 and a half. So that is 2 into 18, 36 plus 1. So this is 37 by 2. 17 into 4, 68 plus 3. So this is 71 by 4 and so on. So here we have A is the first term, which is 20. D, the common difference will be second term minus first term. So 77 by 4 minus 20. So 4 is the LCM. So you get 77 minus 4 into 20, 80. So you get minus 3 by 4. Now, for first negative term, we know A nth term should be less than 0, because less than 0 becomes minus, negative. So A nth term is less than 0. So A nth. So formula is A plus n minus 1 into D less than 0. I have to find out this n. So A is 20 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3 by 4 less than 0. So if you multiply, so you get 20 minus 3 by 4 into n, so minus 3 by 4 n, minus 3 by 4 into this, plus 3 by 4 less than 0. So we'll have 4 as LCM, so 4 into 20 is 80, minus thrice of n, plus 3 less than 0. So if you cross multiply, this will become 0. So after this, minus 3n, 80 plus 3, 83 will go that side. This will become minus 83. Remember, in inequation, this is inequation, we cannot cancel minus. So we need to multiply minus on both sides. If you multiply minus on both sides, what will happen? The sign of inequality will change. So this will become 3n greater than 83. Must note, as we cannot cancel minus, we will multiply minus on both sides and the sign of inequality will get reversed. So this n becomes 83 divided by 3. So which is 3 2 6, 2 3, 3 7, 21, 2 0, 27.6. So therefore, nth term, which will be first negative, will be the 28th term. The 20th term will be our answer, 27.6. So the next term is the 20th term, has to be my first negative term. I'll give you a similar question, similar to this type of question, for you to practice and let me know the answer in my comment.